Gayatness is too good. You gotta be gay as all right.
What do you call two black guys red and wrapped wrapping paper? I don't know. A Kit Kat.
Like jiggling like balls. What did the chicken say to the Tua?
What?
Hawk Tua! I'm not bringing bananas.
Ready?
Gay as fuck. What do you call a pineapple tree?
I don't know, care what do you call it?
Keep talking, I'm almost there.
Washington, D.C.
Today, we're gonna be playing running in a manfield with eyes closed. You close your eyes and you run.
You're almost there.
Am I there yet?
Almost there.
Almost there.
Okay.
Oh, you're getting closer.
Almost there.
Almost
Am I
there.
there yet?
Oh!
Where you going surfing? Come on. I'm Spider-Man. Spider-Man? Why are you next to me?
Right his head in slick. He can't move, huh?
Yeah, I know, I gotta get myself.
2 for 1 special.
Stop! That's mine! No!
You said you're gonna give me a Hawk Tua. Where's my Hawk Tua?
No
Later,
talk
later,
to
just
her, no
wait.
hawk to her.
Albert Einstein.
Come here, Papa. What you doing? Polo! Hi! Buddy. Wait,
Don't do it!
wait. Polo, wait.
Guys, this is a lore accurate event.
Look, wait, Jerbo, get back!
And come on, guys,
Okay.
rate the dive out
No.
of 10. And come on,
Don't
rate it out
dive.
of 10. Ready?
Wait,
No,
no, we're gonna give you. Wait,
Come on,
wait, don't
wait.
do it yet.
Wait.
We're gonna give you a feast.
I'll give you
A feast,
one-
right.
Come on.
Yeah, give me.
Flashlight. For 2% royalty.
No,
Matter of
I'm
fact,
have to
make
counter
that
that offer. That's too
Two
little.
flashlights for 2% royalty.
Exactly. You know what? Even better.
Plus the Hawk Tua.
3. No batteries included. 2 royalty.
You know what? That's a
Yes,
deal,
sir.
man. Come on.
I'm taking these
Okay.
for myself.
Hey,
you
go-
just got scammed. Yeah, but not, wait.
Am I doing it?
No!
Huh?
Look at the guy. Look at the red light.
Flashlights! Flashlights!
Do you have autism? Yo, a ruby.
Got hit. Oh!
Oh.
Jugba! Jugba!
Yo,
Oh,
I can't see anything. It's Jerba.
What
Who the hell was that? Who the hell was that then? Who was that? That was not Jerba.
They act like you.
Oh.
Stop. Don't look at them. Don't look at them. He's dead.
I can't move.
Oh. I want you to get this flashlight. Grab it. Go for it over here. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, keep going.
I'm gone.
He can't see anything.
Yeah, he can't see it. You get that? Yeah, karma, little boy, karma.
I forgot.
Keep showing your light.
Hell no, bro. Yo. What ugly sea turtle. Okay, what? That's all right.
Oh, I thought that was a fake.
You guys want to see a backflip?
Yeah, that's you.
Sure. That is not a bad.
He died.
I see the light. We could go to the haunted house.
Or
What do you have?
wait. Or we can go to my basement.
Haunted house!
How?
This way!
Hell no!
I told you.
Oh my god! Run! Open sesame! Yo. I can't see.
There's a haunted girl here. Careful. She'll kill
You
you.
like me, don't you?
Alright, come on. Which way? Here? I guess
Yeah,
you.
where
That
out?
way!
Doomsday! Do we fall?
Okay.
Nah, I'm good. I did fall, but
Careful.
Ah!
What
What's
the
that?
hell? When was this game a horror game? Yo! Buddy!
We're chill. As long as we're good, we should be fine.
When was I in the game?
What's the sound?
Oh, she's right there, she's right there.
Hey! Buddy! When did this game become a horror game?
This way!
Hell no!
I told you.
Oh my god!
Go!
He's standing on himself.
I got some jobs down way.
Over
here.
Oh, key! We got the key! Go!
Where's the key?
I got
He
it!
has it!
What just happened?
Okay.
Fucking hell! I'm here!
Kira!
Come down! Over here! Run!
What the hell is this game?
What is
She's right
this?
there!
Come down!
What is this? Bro! Archie!
Come all the way
I'm
to the
right
bottom.
here.
Come all the way to the bottom.
Ouchie! Follow! Get down! No! What just happened?
Where do we go?
Are we in hell? What happened?
Where?
Ouch! Why is there a human down there? Oh shit! What
No,
the hell?
no. What the?
I think it's calling right.
I guess we just jump. Ah!
You know what? I like my CGP, bro.
Get in there!
Hallelujah!
Here's it on here. I rape kids.
Why is he looking at you so mad? I'll give you guys both heart tools.
Suck it. When you sell bro an animal company and get $1, stocks. Get in the chamber now. Then
No. Please.
20,
Please.
2.
Please.
Hey, Polo, come
Please.
in! I want to
That's your
hug!
family member.
Hug!
How much bank? You're fucking broke. Is this apple juice? This apple juice reminds me of my motherhood. When I always drink apple juice back in the old days. It reminds me when my father used to spank me in the butt every single day. No!
Boy!
Get the fuck in!
I'm behind the little vine thing, and nobody knows.
Uh-oh.
Okay. 5%.
How much?
Maybe 4 now. How much is
How much?
your hawk to a no talk to?